G'day viewers, another quick workshop video today. You would have seen at the end of a couple of my last rides, the rear tyre on the DRZ had started to get some gashes in the sidewall. I run a Mousse tube, so yeah, that was the end of that tyre. We got 3,000 k's out of it and 0 punctures, of course, with it being a Mousse, so pretty happy with that through a full season without a puncture. So today I'm just going to have got the tyre here, the old second-hand one. Have a look at how the Mousse deteriorated over that time, what happened with the sidewall itself, and also the amount of tread wear we've seen and how the new one looks. So yeah, we'll have a quick look at that. Try and man the best possible lighting for you guys to see what's going on. So this tyre I ran for last season was a Pirelli Scorpion. I actually got a motocross one and ran it 120, 100, 18. Suits the rear on the DRZ. Powered it fine. So just see if I can find where the gashes were. Here we are here. You can see there it's open right up. And what we've looked at and figured was that as the Mousse tube has deteriorated and dropped down the pressure, the sidewall's been flexing too much and it's caused the failure here. You can actually see the cords coming out. So the tube itself is still in there. I'll pull it out. Okay, and here's what's left of the tube. You can see here, that's where the rim lock was, and that's worn away. Up around here, one big blowout of the tube itself. Both sides. So this was the Michelin bib Mousse tube. Just with the torch, let's see if we can, what we can see. You'll see the cords starting to show through on the inside of the tyre, starting to break down. As you can see over here, this is where we had the main blowout on the sidewall. Cords completely gone. So that's after 3,000 k's of riding, of approximately 80% off-road, 20% on-road. Of course, they're not recommended for on-road use, and I try my best not to, but of course, venture riding, you're going to have a fair bit of blacktop, no matter what you do. Here's my new one here, fitted. That is the Scorpion XC mid-hard. It's a DOT approved tyre, so all good for riding on the road. Just had a quick measure up with the verniers. 16mm tread depth on this tyre. Compared to the old tyre, it was 5mm left. So over that time, 11mm of wear across the tyre of the middle knobs. As you know, they run a lot less PSI. You can feel there is a bit of movement there, where if you're running a tube 18, 20 PSI, you wouldn't feel that. Overall, I've been really happy with how the Mousse tube performed with the Pirelli rear tyre. Michelin Mousse tube, Pirelli rear. It seemed to be quite a good match. I can't recommend it for riding on roads, it's just too squirmy under brakes, and guys behind me, riding behind me, have always commented, oh, have you got a flat tyre? Is something going wrong? But no, it's just that running that lower pressure that it gives the effect of wobbling down the road, just like a flat. Mousse tube itself is a fair bit more expensive, of course, than normal tubes. However, going through a whole season without one puncture and having to worry about carrying tubes and a compressor is yeah, worth its weight in gold. So I've continued on and will continue to run Mousses into the future. The front one on the bike is 3,000 k's old. I'll see if I can get up to about 4 on that before I change it. I'll see how we go, but I'll be monitoring that for any soft spots. So that was just a quick video, show you inside the Mousse tube and what's happened to it. As we've seen from previous videos, we've had a failure at the end. So I've purchased another one, run the same setup again. Just the value of not having to worry about any punctures for the year is great. So that saves a bit of weight carrying the tube and that kind of thing, compressor. Still carry the tools to remove the back tyre though. You never know if you get fencing wire caught in it or need to do some work with the chain. It's always good to be able to drop the tyre off. So I'll have a quick look at a video now where I've had the Mousse tube and it's helped us out on a hill climb, and we'll see you on the next one.